Hey everybody, welcome back. If you don't follow me already, I am GILLIANBERRY, and going raw vegan in 2016 changed my life more than anything on this planet. It reversed all my health problems and truly put me in alignment with who I am. And as a result, I've created my dream life. I feel absolutely amazing every day at 43 years old and full of life, full of energy, and just full of creation. So today I'm going to show you guys my top 5 raw vegan kitchen essentials. So these are all great, and I think some of these are going to surprise you and give you some amazing information. So I'm super stoked. So let's hop into it. Number 1, this one is so exciting, and I think it might be new information to a lot of you guys out there. I was recently in Los Angeles interviewing one of my favorite people, Lou Corona. You guys have seen him on the channel. He's a regular. He's in his mid-70s, and he is so healthy, you guys. He's been on raw living food only, nothing cooked, nothing processed, nothing crap for over 50 years. And he's been drinking a green juice a day for 51 years. When he made these changes at age 21, it reversed all of his health problems. He had major health problems, like on the brink of death. And his story is truly incredible. And he's just been inspired because of the changes he had going raw to live this life all these decades. So I often see Lou, we often speak, and in LA, when we were filming last, you guys, we were doing a great video, which is actually coming up, I believe, next. And it's his top salad dressing recipes. So stay tuned for that because they're the best on earth. He was cutting with a ceramic knife. So he was using this knife to cut all his salad ingredients. And look how good this knife is, okay? This is the best knife I've ever used. I don't know if I got the same one he has, but I found this ceramic knife online. So he taught me when you cut food with a regular knife like this, right? Like when you cut an apple, you can tell after a little bit it browns. So he said that when we cut food with our ceramic knives, and I researched this online too, it doesn't have the same oxidizing effect. So the way they interact with each other, it doesn't oxidize the food. So that is only a real positive for you guys, right? It's amazing, you guys. Oh my God, even cutting with it, it's so sharp though. Look, it looks like it's like paper thin and it's so sharp. So if you get one, be very careful. And so I looked into them, I ordered this one, and I think I got it at Williams-Sonoma. I forget, you guys, but it's really, really, really good. So this is a new exciting kitchen essential. So I do not use these anymore. I got this one, another little ceramic knife. If you can see on the apple, the regular knives oxidizing our food, then obviously they're doing it to the other foods as well. So why not transition to ceramic knives? And they're a real joy to use in the kitchen. All right, number 2, I've been using this tool since probably since right in the beginning of my raw vegan journey. I was spiralizing zucchini. This is just a game changer. So this is, I think, by OXO. It's really cheap. You can see them at a lot of grocery stores. I think Whole Foods carries them, or online. It's in my Amazon store. I'll put that down below. And you can see how much I've used it because I've had it for like, I don't know how long, you guys. I guess almost 10 years I've been raw, so that long. And it's incredible. I'm gonna buy a new one because I think they're only like $7. Look what it does, in case you don't know. It's super easy. It spiralizes your zucchini. A big favorite in my kitchen is raw vegan pasta. Look, you can make it in no time with this amazing spiralizer. Like, look at that. And you can spiralize not only zucchini, you can do cucumbers, carrots, beets. You can just go wild and do all kinds of crazy things. So this is a game changer. I have so many incredible raw vegan pasta recipes, tomato marinara, a creamy cashew corn recipe, which is coming up in a few days on here, which is amazing. Alfredo, we have pesto pastas. Just, they're absolutely one of my favorite foods. And a good tip is you take your zucchini out at the beginning of the day and you let it sit on your counter at room temperature all day. That way, when you're ready to make your pasta, it's not cold, because a lot of us don't want like that cold pasta. So I do that. And then when you warm up the sauce in your blender long enough on high for like 3 minutes, it warms it up without heating it. So you essentially have like a nice warm dish without cooking it. So yeah, that's what I love. This is definitely one of my favorite tools on earth, you guys. And again, it just makes so many incredible dishes. Okay, number 3, another essential in my kitchen, you guys. We're blessed to have all these amazing essentials, is the 𝒂𝒂𝒗𝒆. Again, very, very inexpensive and a very safe, easy way to open Mother Nature's electrolytes, the real Gatorade, coconuts, and coconut water. Most times you can find coconuts in my fridge. Right now, they only had the ones at the store that you poke the straw in. So I can't do a demo, but I have lots of B-roll. So I'm gonna put some on the screen right now so you can see just how easy it is to use this 𝒂𝒂𝒗𝒆. You just place it on, go boom, 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 pop it off, and you have your coconut water. And I use it to crack open the coconut as well. and I use the coconut meat many times lately to make Lou Corona's almond coconut yogurt, and I know he uses that in a lot of his salad dressings as well. So once you get this, there's just so many different uses for the coconut water and the coconut meat, and they just hydrate you on a cellular level. They balance your blood sugar. They just offer all the electrolytes, and I think there's so many benefits to coconuts. A lot of people are like, I can't find coconuts. Where do I get them? When I used to live in Toronto, I found them at the Asian markets. They used to always have coconuts there, or the local No Frills, they had coconuts, or they could order them in for you. So talk to the produce manager at your local store if you don't see them, and check for Asian markets, or depending where you are, they might have some fruit stands. I'm in North Carolina now, you guys, and it's not tropical here, but I'm so lucky. Like 6 minutes away, there's a little fruit stand where they crack the real green coconuts open for you. So it's really awesome. So yeah, I cannot recommend this enough. Get going on coconuts. They hydrate you. They just do so much for your body. And let's move on to number 4. Okay, number 4 is a really nice bowl. It's worth, I think, investing, since on this lifestyle you'll eat many salads, many beautiful raw dishes. I think it's really worth investing in a bowl you absolutely love. I saw this one when I was at Williams-Sonoma in New York. I loved it so much that I made salads in my hotel room, because I make this lifestyle work no matter where I am, and I brought the bowl back with me. It was quite expensive, but the quality is so high. I can just tell this bowl will last so long, rather than if you cheap out on a bowl, then you have to buy another bowl in a few months. This is so good, and it gets me excited about making a beautiful dish. And I'll just show you guys another one of my favorites as well. It's just this little white one. I think I got it on Amazon, and it's just really beautiful for like pastas. Oftentimes I'll do like a raw pasta with a salad in this, or the raw pastas for company, and those are nicely garnished with herbs and stuff. It looks so pretty. So definitely invest, find a bowl you're excited about. It just makes you more excited about creating and eating these beautiful meals. Last but not least, we have our Nama machines. In my opinion, these are the best of the best. If you're gonna get some machines for juicing, blending, there's many different ways to do this lifestyle. You absolutely do not have to have juicers or blenders. You can just eat the food whole without any of that. But if you do want to do that and you want to have some juices, I know I have a green juice every single day about this size, and nothing truly makes me feel better. So lately, for the past few months, I've been doing Lou Corona's Lemon Ginger Blast, and it just electrifies me, hydrates me, and it just makes me feel so alive and positive. So when I feel that positive frequency, just it leads me to more and more positive frequencies. It makes me want to turn on positive music. Then that leads me to maybe talking to a friend who's more positive than somebody else, and I attract more positive. It's just a better path when you start with these positive habits. It really has a domino effect. So the green juice a day is a must for me, and I use these machines for so many other things. So this is the Nama blender. It's actually a juicer and blender in one. So it has the top like this that just attaches on, and you can blend and juice, and it's the same juicer as the J2. So it's amazing. But because I'm so blessed, I have all the machines, I just often keep the blender on here and make all my smoothies, sauces, dips, dressings, everything in here. I start with an amazing smoothie every day after my workout now, and I make it in here, and I do my green juice and this or the J3 every single day. But I'll put the links and everything down below. And again, you can do nut milks in these as well. I make nut milk in the milk maker, which I have, which is amazing. And then I have chia pudding usually every day or every other day to end my day with that as well. Okay, you guys, so here we have my top 5 raw vegan kitchen essentials: the ceramic knife, the cocoa jack, the spiralizer, a bowl that I absolutely love, and the juicing and blending station. I'm so blessed. I love all this stuff so much, and many of it is inexpensive. And the Namas are a little bit more, but they will last you, and they have the 15-year warranty, and they have payment plans, so it's truly worth the investment if you can do it. And yeah, let me know down below, what are your essentials? What's your favorite way to eat on this lifestyle?